How to sign up on Sweat Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create an account on Sweat Wallet. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So now let us begin. So for you to be able to create Sweat Wallet account, you'll first need to install this app. You also need to have an account on Sweatcoin. If you do not have an account on Sweatcoin, make sure that you go ahead and make an account there first. So after you've done all of that, you can head over to Sweat Wallet. And after you're on Sweat Wallet, you will get two options. First is to continue using your Apple account, or you can just tap on other methods to view other available methods. So here what you'll need to do is you will need to log into your account by typing one of the accepted methods. And the accepted methods are your Sweatcoin username, your secret phrase, or your private key. So you can use either your Sweatcoin's username that you will get when you have an account on your Sweatcoin, or you can get a secret phrase. Simply type that here and you're basically good to go, or simply use a private key. Other than that, you do also have an option to log in using your Google account. Now, if you have your Sweatcoin logged in or connected to your Google account, you can use your Google account or Apple ID to simply log in into your Sweat Wallet. So you can either use your Sweatcoin's username or secret phrase on here, and after you do that, you will get logged in, and that's basically your account. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.